When working with Mylio Photos Plus, it's possible to set up multiple hard drives. Now, you're probably familiar with setting up a vault to protect your files, but may not realize how easy it is to set up a small portable drive to travel with. In this case, we have some small SSDs attached, and I recommend you consider putting these into your workflow. To add a travel drive is simple. In Mylio Photos, simply click on the Dashboard tab, then choose Devices. Now you can click the Add button and choose External Drive. Mylio Photos should find any drive that you have attached that hasn't already been set up. In this case, the vault doesn't show up because it's already been added to Mylio Photos, but our small SSD shows up as a new drive. I'll click Continue. Instead of setting this up as a vault for all files, even though it's big enough, I want to change its purpose. So I'll click Custom Setup. Here we have lots of different options available. Just Photos, Space Saver. In my case, I'm going to choose Travel Backup. The Travel Backup preset will automatically keep full-size copies of everything that's new from the last 3 months. This includes photos, videos, and documents, meaning that it's super convenient. I'll click Looks Good, and the new device is added. I suggest you give it a descriptive name like Mylio Travel Drive. And you'll notice that the device sync policy is currently set to Travel Backup. Now, underneath the Originals tab here, it's automatically taking files from the last 3 months. If I go to the Optimize tab, it's taking things automatically from the last 3 months. But if you have enough space, you can change this. For example, I can add the quick collection for everything for optimized images. Now I automatically have my optimized images, which again are about 1/10 of the size of the originals, on this drive, giving me the ability to work offline with no internet connection. And then under the Originals tab, maybe I want to have a few other things here as well. You can always click to add a quick collection and choose something like your 4- and 5-star photos automatically, or maybe this Best Underwater category that has all of JC's best underwater photos. I can select different categories here from quick collections and choose a collection for syncing and have it be there and available automatically. Let's add our 4- and 5-star photos and click Add. So now this hard drive will have 4- and 5-star photos and photos from 3 months back. Each of these collections will sync in its entirety. They don't merge together. Rather, it's getting the first quick collection and the second quick collection here automatically sync to the drive. If we take a look over here in the device panel, we can see exactly what's happening. And so this travel drive right now is getting everything it needs. If we open up and take a look at the details here, I see that this is going to end up with about 900 original quality files and my entire library as optimized images. Now that this is set up, I get 3 amazing benefits. First, with all of my optimized images, it means with this drive plugged in to any of my devices in my Mylio Photos Plus account, I can work offline. I can connect this to an iPad, a laptop, and work. It's wonderful. Secondly, I always have my latest pictures with me at full quality, in this case, from the last 3 months. And if you want, you can go in and change that and apply a different set of rules. And I was able to say, automatically put my 4- and 5-star photos on this drive. So I also have my best pictures with me all the time. Taking the time to set up a Mylio Travel Backup drive means that you will always have what you need with you and have a great backup source when traveling.